In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive zipping files stuck. If you've ever tried to download a folder from Google Drive and watched the zipping files spinner go on forever, this walkthrough is for you. We'll move from the simplest checks to reliable workarounds so you can get your files without the endless wait. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Drive. This ensures you're landing on a fresh session even if you usually use a bookmark. When the results load, make sure you click the official link. You're looking for the drive.google.com domain or Google's official Drive page. Avoid anything that looks like an ad for a third-party downloader or a site that isn't clearly from Google. Once Drive loads, sign in if you're prompted. Complete any verification the site asks for, then head to the folder or files you want. If the zipping is what's causing the stall, the fastest fix is to skip zipping entirely by downloading files one at a time. Open the folder, select a single file, and choose Download. Repeat for the next file. It's a bit more manual, but it bypasses the bulk zip step that often hangs and is especially helpful on very large folders or when one odd file is tripping up the archive. If you move a lot of content, a better long-term approach is to use the Google Drive for Desktop app. Download and install it from Google's official site. After setup, your drive appears right inside your computer's file explorer, just like another folder. From there, you can simply drag and drop entire folders to your desktop or another local folder. Because the files sync directly, Google doesn't need to create a zip at all, which completely avoids the spinner. If you still prefer downloading from the browser, check your cookie settings. Drive's download process relies on certain background cookies. If third-party cookies are aggressively blocked, the download can spin forever. In Chrome, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Cookies. Make sure third-party cookies aren't completely blocked and add drive.google.com to the allowed sites list. Save your changes and try the download again. Finally, try an incognito window. Open one with the keyboard shortcut, sign back into Drive, and attempt the download. Incognito temporarily disables most extensions and ignores stale cache, which helps rule out issues caused by ad blockers or buggy scripts. That's it. Start with a clean sign-in, try single-file downloads, use the desktop app for larger moves, allow the necessary cookies, and fall back on incognito when things misbehave. With these approaches, you should be able to get your files without getting stuck on zipping files ever again.